Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's Miranda at Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, and I'm here with a plan with me for the very first week of November, so October 29th through November 4th. But before we get started, I need you guys to do a couple of things for me really quick. First thing, if you enjoyed the video and you enjoyed the Recollections Plan with me, give me a thumbs up. It'll take you half a second right down there below. Number two, tell me something you enjoyed about this spread, or tell me something interesting that you do with your Recollections Planner. Maybe I can learn from you, or maybe I can try to mimic what you do. I don't know. But I'd appreciate a comment if you have any comments. Thirdly, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. So make sure you hit the subscribe button. And finally, if you're not following me on social media, jump on Instagram, and I'm at Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan. Hope to hear from you there. All right, guys, jumping right in. I am going to use another Target Dollar Spot sticker book. I did this probably, last week. But I wanted to do this because with this being purple part of the month and then pink, this just goes perfectly. So we are going to jump right in. Going to use tool, should be medium. So let's put our Coffee Monday here. And this is a tool pen in navy blue medium. Okay. All right. Way in. And then here we have cleaning bathrooms. Okay. Tuesday. Okay. Alright, so a little lunch date right there. And clean the kitchen. Alrighty. Thursday. N-M-I-A. Return home. This is the Belt charity sale. Okay. All right. That is our completed spread for the week of November 29th through, October 29th through. This is our completed spread for the first week in November, which started with October 29th through November 4th. We used our Target Dollar Spot stickers for this spread, and it is super cute. I love the way it turned out. Well, I hope you guys have a great and productive week. Ciao, Bella.